Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today this is part 3 of big brick attack game, and so what so what we have done till now. So we have just added a ball with interacting with other bricks. So now today we will introduce paddle and its movement and other thing also. So if you are new in my channel, to like subscribe my channel, and you can contribute something to encourage our work. So the links available in the description. Okay, so let's start. So now we will introduce some class called paddle, PADL, okay, and inherit from widget. One second. So widget, and put pass, and here we will initialize our paddle, PADDL paddle class, and initialization is size equal to 50, 30 pixel, and position is like x value is something like middle, okay, like 50, 500, 0, and y value is 0. Okay, and we have to add some color. For that we have to use canvas before color. Okay, and let's put your 0 green color, okay, and this is, it will be rounded rectangle, rounded, rounded, rounded rectangle, and radius 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 10, and here we have to add this paddle in our main game actually. So for that, one second. So for that for that we have to just add here like paddle, DTEL paddle, and its was equal to 500, 0, and size int none. Okay, then let's run this code to see it is present or not. Why? Oh, there's something error. Okay, you have to put the comma actually. Let's increase some font size. Okay, now see here some small paddle is present here. Okay, now we have to increase the size actually, the size of the paddle. Let's increase size 12, 200, okay, not 200, 80 is enough, 80 pixel is enough. Okay, now let's see. So we have to add interaction with ball and also the interaction with the mouse for our touch actually. Okay, so now let's add some interaction with pedal, or first we will introduce interaction with mouse. Okay, so let's create some ID here. Okay, this is the pedal, and just we have to open our browser like Firefox here, and sometime let's touch 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 WIDG. We have to read the input management of the widget class of Kivy. Okay, so then we will see how touch is working. We have to add two things here: on touch down and on touch up. Okay, so here some example like ball game. There is some example ping pong game actually. So they have added paddle here also and touch management. So here yeah, so we have some on touch move. Now sorry, let's put these things in main or update actually game loop, in game loop. So what is going on here? Okay, now we have just added this function on touch move. When something touch will move, it change its position of the widget. Okay, so actually we are just, it's called method overriding or like that, and it is like here. So I have, so here it is like touch event actually, and touch event. So in Kivy properties, when you write some properties or define some properties, if you add on underscore, then it will act as a event. So I already have discussed the Kivy properties, so you can watch that video. Okay, and here here the touch X is like let's see some, introduce something touch X, and self dot IDs dot pedal x equal to TOU touch x. So what it will do, if touch x is present or exist, then the pedal's position will be the touch position. Okay, so here we have to add some ID here of pedal. ID equal to PADDL. Now let's run this code. Okay, there is some indentation error, showing indentation error. Okay, now let's run this code to see it is working or not. Yeah, when I am moving the mouse position, and it is also moving the pedal position. Okay, so here now there we have to see the interaction with the ball and pedal here. So in this game loop, we are going to do one thing. If self dot ball dot collide widget sorry self dot ids dot pedal. Okay, so actually we are just checking the ball collide with the ids pedal actually. So we have here the widget is self dot ids dot pedal. Actually we are just connecting the pedal with the ball. Okay, and it is present where self dot ids dot pedal. Now print ball collide with pedal, PADDL. So here, so what we will do actually the collision, like if self dot self dot ball velocity velocity 1 equal to self dot velocity 1 into minus 1.5. So there will be the interaction and the direction will be changed. Okay, now see, let's run this code to see it is going or not. Let's see that, yeah, it is working. So my pedal is changing its direction and also increasing the velocity of the, so it is very fast, speed is very fast increasing. So the rate, actually we will introduce some variable like the speed acceleration, like xl equal to 0. Is 1.01. so it will very slowly increase. Okay, and here self dot xl dot excel self dot excel. Okay, and we have to just put the minus sign here. Now let's run this code. It will very slowly, it will change the acceleration actually. So it is now the pedal is moving and interacting with the ball also, and we have to put the score counting and the actually when the ball is outside of the pedal, there will be minus point or something like out. Okay, so we will out from the game actually. So we will introduce these things here. So let's do this thing actually when so the condition is if the self dot ball dot y is less than or equal to 0 or self dot y, then what happen, then there will be print game over actually. GAME over. Okay, and what happen, we have to just pause our game. Self dot game state equal to false. Okay, so this condition will stop our game actually, and do many thing. We can do many thing here also. Okay, now let's see if it is doing or not. Let's see. Yeah, see here, the printing is here, so it is showing the game over actually, and the game loop is but I can still move our pedal. So to stop this, we can do one thing. We can do the condition also here, like if self dot game state. Okay, if this condition satisfies, then the movement will be occur, otherwise not. So this thing here, I can change, I can move the cursor. Okay, and see here, but here I cannot move our pedal by moving our mouse. Okay, so let's we will introduce some score counting widgets like text label, something like that. So to do that, we just introduce something widget like something we have to draw somewhere. Okay. First of all, let's play sometime about this game. Okay, 1 second. So here we have to insert some level here to see the score counting. Okay, and the game status actually, and we can do many more thing also, like game menu like that, by adding some screen management or screen 2 or 3 screen. Okay, we can do that, but our tutorial will be very lengthy. Then we can do very sophisticated game like commercial application like that. But in this tutorial I will show you how the main thing is working in Kivy. You can do that by some decoration and some colors, some images to put on the ball or some other images. Okay, so we will see in next videos if we have some time. Okay. In this tutorial series we will do what our target is, how the game actually working in Kivy. So you will learn that. Okay. So actually if you add many things, our code length of the code will be increased, which is so here now we have to do one thing like sorry, we have to add some levels like score. Okay. So actually I am just putting the label on the middle screen actually. So for simplicity purpose, like label label posint hint hint like 0.5, sorry, center, it is dictionaries center x 0.5 comma center y center y comma 0.5. Okay, so the position of the label will be the middle position of the root actually, and size is equal to 200 comma 50, like big size, and size int equal to none. And initially the label will be txt hello, and the colors UL or equal to, what is color will be the black, sorry, 0.5 transparency, and font font size ready to 18. Yeah, see the color hello is present here. Okay, now and okay, like 25 say. Yeah, see the hello is here. So the score I am just printing in the middle of our application, and the text is like score and the text. Okay, so initially it is hello, but we will change the text to hello like that, and for that we have to just put the id equal to label lbl. Okay, now what is going here, when the ball interacting with the bricks, what we will do, self dot ids dot Okay, let's just initialize our mm, like score SCOR is introduce a variable of name score equal to numeric property, it is equal to 0. Okay, and what is going on here, when just score COR is score equal plus equal to 10 or 5 points, each brick is like 5 point. Okay, so our score will increase. Now when the value is changed, like on score value is changed SCORE, see here one thing, this is the Kivy rule. I am just introduce score as a numeric property, as it is Kivy property, so we can connect as a use as a event. Okay, so for that we have to just add on underscore, which I have already introduced in Kivy properties videos, and pass the object, self object and value. Okay, and self dot id is equal to id is lbl dot text equal to str value. So let's see it is working or not. And one thing we have do one thing here also, when it is interacting with the widgets, so velocity will be velocity direction will, I want the direction of the velocity will be changed. So for that, so velocity equal to 0 0. Okay, wait, what is the velocity? Velocity is reference list property. So this is reference list property. So if I do multiply with something for all, I think, I don't know that, for that I am just doing like very fundamental thing. Actually I am just changing the, actually I want to multiply -1 with both the components. Okay, both the velocity component. For that, as it is reference list property, so I cannot do like velocity into -1, that's why I am just putting for both component. Okay, we can do any other logic also. Okay, if you know that. So let's see what happened. What main on score takes 2 position available, but 3 were given. Let's see one thing. Okay, oh sorry, obj, and there we have to just put the okay. Now let's see, and initial ball position will be will be 50-50. Okay, now let's see. So our what happened? One second. So let's do that. So it is actually working, but okay, if I do this thing, what is happen? It is just changing the direction actually. Am I, and we can do that one thing. We can do like it is randomly. We can use the random number to change the value. Actually, it is very changing. Okay, so what we can do that randomly, it will change the direction and also the value. Okay, so we can, for that we have to use the random value range Python. So rather we fix the value, we can change the value actually. So it is checking we have to just do one thing. Okay, it will actually generate from 0 to 9 or something like that. Okay, let's for simplicity purpose, let's do this, because we don't have enough time, so we have to cover the whole series as. So if we use random number, we can do like we can change the ball position or ball direction randomly, so the game will be more difficult or like that. Okay, it is very simple. Okay, 1 second, let's reduce this ball size. Okay, like 15. Okay, let's see now. Yeah, now do the thing actually. Okay, the ball size is reduced and the velocity will be maximum. Let's see it is changing its direction. Okay, now it is also, yeah, still. I don't know where the ball is colliding with what, and why collide, and it is reversing. Is it due to the level? let's change the ball position. uh, Ball position is equal to, or let's shift the level. Okay, let's center is equal to, where is the, okay, let's see what happened. Okay, good. Now yeah, right. I don't know why it is interacting with something. I don't know, there is nothing, but it is also interacting with something. Let's see what is the object with it is interacting. Okay. mm, so mhm. Okay, collide widget with bricks. It is interacting with, if it is interacting with big bricks. But actually we have what we have done here, doing here, it is interacting with okay, let's do one thing. Let's do 2 and 2. We can do one thing here also. One second. So actually what I have done here, actually we have introduced the random. Okay, and here I have just added the velocity to equal to 0.5 plus random. Okay, for simplicity purpose. Okay, you can do or fine tune values. Okay, so and what I've done here, and I have just removed the item from the bricks list. Okay, this thing actually you can change the direction, also the value, whatever you want. Okay, it is like vector. So after the interaction with bricks, the ball will be what direction and what the value. So you can do that by tuning this term. Okay, it is very easy. I'm not going too deep in this into this. Okay, so see here, it is changing direction also, and the acceleration also, velocity also change actually. Okay, so Actually, one second, what we can do here, like uh, what is going on here, it is always it is negative. Uh, you can do like minus minus 1 to plus 1, or like minus 1.5 to plus 1, okay. Except 0 to change the direction in all direction, okay. So randomly you can choose that, but I'm not going to deep into this. So actually our game is working. And let's shift the level position like 0.5 and 0.5, okay. And if it is fails, like game is state, okay. If self dot game state equal to false or not then what happened, then see copy and paste. Over, okay, game over. Let's see. And if it is fail or fall in the outside of the paddle, then game is over and not updating. It is not updating the value. Why? Okay. Okay, sorry. Let's do that in copy and yeah, here. Okay, so let's see if it is the value is equal to 0.5. It is, the value is 5, and if it is the game over, so it is showing 5 and game over, okay. So it is the game status. Actually it is very simple interface, and you can do many things like game, when game is over there is a pop-up screen or any other screen also. We can do many things actually. So there is many widgets in Kivy, so you read that things and you can implement in this game. So our main target is here to game is working or not actually. And many things like you can add, like by doing some mathematics you can change the position and the motion of the ball actually, okay. When it will accelerate and the deaccelerate and the direction also, it's like a vector. If you learned vector mathematics in schools, okay. So by doing that you can do many things. You can put the images here and the images here also, okay, and the background image, okay. So this is the simple game is working. So let's one second. So it is 44. So now so today is enough for this is enough for today, okay. So and I will upload the code in GitHub also, so you can collect from that and you can modify your own, okay. And and if you have some questions, like put the comment below. if I have some time, so I will answer that. And please like, share and subscribe and support me. If you do want to do some contribution, this link I have already added the link, so you can do that from that. So it will, your contribution will encourage my work. So that's all. See you next video.